Guys, what are we doing today?
Hiking Sugarloaf on the lake. Tell mommy.
So we rode a 7-minute boat ride to get here. From what marina?
Fairfield Bay. Say, and then we get snacks when we get up top.
Are you picking your nose? Come on, let's go, guys. You ready, Bumpy?
Ezra.
To hold Ezra the whole time? Are you excited, Bumpy?
Can't you see? The joy on my face.
But right here, right here. You got it.
See, I'm a short boy.
Great, no
What do you say?
See, I'm a strong boy. He's right. You got it.
What he told us the other day because he was strong for something.
See? He did it all by himself.
Probably gonna be blurry, but we are racing to catch the last ferry. That was 4 o'clock. We saw it up there on top of the mountain. Saw it coming to get us. It's like 4:05.
No, it's like 4:08 by now.
Oh, it's like 4:08. He said he's leaving at 4:15 and we're not even close to down the mountain. But we got my mom to run ahead hopefully she'll meet them and hopefully they'll wait on us. Hopefully they'll get slowpoke back there. That's taking a while. Ezra's in tow. Let's hope we make it down. Is that yummy? And look, we climbed that mountain right over there.